Hello guys, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this short tutorial video, I'll be showing you how to send USDT from Binance to Bitget. In order to send your USDT tokens over from your Binance account to the Bitget account, it's quite easy. The wallet section at the bottom right, click on this wallet, and then at the overview, scroll from the overview to your spot or funding where you have your USDT stored. Once you've located your USDT on any of these accounts, simply take note of how much you have, then click on the withdraw option. And where we have USDT, click on USDT and click on send via crypto network. You're then met with the address, network, and minimum withdrawal. All you need to do is click on the network so you can get a look at how much they charge per network. Like the Tron is charging a fee of 1 USDT with a minimum withdrawal of 10. Toncoin is 0.3 for a fee and minimum withdrawal of 5. And the lowest we have is between AVAX and Optimism. So I think in this tutorial video, we'll be going with the AVAX C chain. So click on AVAX, and then you're going to provide an address as well as enter the minimum amount to send. So to do this, minimize and open up Bitget, and then click on add funds, and then click on deposit crypto. Simply click on popular coins where we have USDT, click on USDT. Remember, the network we're working with is the AVAX C chain. So scroll through and you'd find the AVAX C chain on Bitget. Click on Bitget, copy this address, minimize, and then open up Binance. Paste the address you'd copied from Bitget, enter the minimum withdrawal amount. As you can see, the network fee is quite small, and then simply click on withdraw. By doing this, you've successfully withdrawn your USDT tokens from Binance to Bitget, and that's how it's done. So comment down below if you have a question and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.